Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to open the Services Management console now. Press the Windows key, type Services, MSC, and press Enter. Services opens because you invoked the MMC snap-in. Once the console appears, make sure you're running as an administrator so changes will persist. Next, scan the list and locate the exact service you intend to modify. Use the name or description column to confirm identity before proceeding, because changing the wrong service can affect system stability. You'll now change the startup behavior itself. Right-click the service and choose Properties. Under Startup Type, pick Automatic, Automatic Delayed, Manual, or Disabled depending on how and when you want it to run. Once chosen, click Apply. This writes the configuration to the registry. If the service is currently running and you want the new type to take effect immediately, use the Stop or Start button here. Otherwise, the setting will apply on next boot. Finish by verifying the change. Restart the machine or manually start and stop the service to confirm the startup type behaves as expected. If the service fails to start, open Event Viewer and Review System and application logs for error codes and dependency failures. Those logs tell you why. If you encounter instability, revert the startup type to its previous value and research dependencies or permissions. This rollback prevents prolonged system issues while you diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.